In this Java tutorial, we will learn if and else statements. You can use if and else statements to perform different actions for different decisions. Let's start with the if example. I create an integer variable. This part expresses the condition of if statement. If the condition is met, the code inside the block will run. Since the condition is met, the code worked. If the condition is not met, the code block will not run. Since the condition is not met, the code block didn't run. Let's make an example about if and else statements. If the condition is met, the code in the if block will run. If the condition is not met, the code in the else block will run. Since the condition is not met, the code in the else block will run. You can try to make the if block work by changing the age variable. Let's make an example with if, else if, and else. The value of the age variable is 0. If the if condition is met, the if block will run. If it is not met, the program will check the condition in the else if block. If the condition is met, the else if block will run. If the condition is not met, the else block will run. In this example, the else block worked. I changed the age variable to make the other blocks work. If the age value is 10, the if block will work. If the age value is negative, the else if block will work. Finally, let's make an example for short if and else. We learned how if and else blocks work. Since the variable value is 10, the if block will work. Since the age value is negative, this time the else block will work. If and else blocks are often used in their short form. This makes coding and reading easier. Now let's learn how to use short if and else blocks. I am converting the if and else structure to a command line. I am moving the following statement up. Age variable is negative. If the condition is met, the left part will work. If not, the right part will work. Since the condition is not met, the right part will work. If the condition is met, the left part will work. In this Java tutorial, we learned how if and else condition blocks work. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.